2000 Nissan Frontier. This car has a no crank, no start. It's a 3.3 liter V6. Basically on this, what we noticed that we ended up getting was we had no signal going to the starter. So once we checked that, figured out we had no signal, we checked our ignition under the dash, and we had a signal coming over here all the way to the relay box. Now these do have a relay. It's an inhibitor relay. It's right here. It has a different name though. It's a clutch interlock. And that, if you take this off, the relay is like a brown color. So I checked in there to see if we had power going there once we turned the key, and we did. We had ground there, but we didn't have any constant power there, which was what engages the relay once you crank it. And that sends a signal down to the starter down below. So I figured there had to be a fuse somewhere that was blown, because I had ran a bypass wire and got the vehicle to start, but I lost my overdrive. Overdrive didn't want to work anymore, and then the vehicle had a hard time running. It was like it had a lot of loss of power, like the transmission wasn't working. The fuse is number 13. It's right here. This one was blown. I replaced that, and that fuse shows up as engine control ignition. It's a 10 amp. Replaced that, got the signal back to the starter, overdrive came back on, everything worked. So if you do that, hopefully that's a fix for you. And thanks for watching.